everyone! Have you ever dreamed of owning a second passport? Of traveling the world with fewer visa restrictions, living or working in another country? Or giving your family more security and global access? Citizenship by investment or CBI is the key. But here is the real question. How do you actually fund it? In this video, I'll show you how to fund your Citizenship by investment program step by step. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a working professional, or someone simply chasing freedom and global opportunity, this video breaks it down for you. Stick with me because this could be one of the most life-changing moves you'll ever make. Let's start with the basics. Understanding the cost of citizenship by investment. Citizenship by investment isn't cheap, but it's not only for the ultra-wealthy either. Depending on the country and the type of investment, you're typically looking at anywhere from $100,000 to over $1 million. Now that sounds like a lot, but the truth is, there are programs for almost every level of investor. Some countries require a non-refundable donation to a national fund. Others offer real estate routes, business investment options, or government bond investments. On top of that, there are processing fees, due diligence costs, legal fees, and possibly real estate maintenance if you go that route. So the key is know your total cost upfront and plan accordingly. Now let's get into how to actually fund it. Step 1. Tap into your personal resources. The first and most direct method is to assess your personal finances. This means looking into your savings, liquid assets, or even items you can sell. Do you have a second car that's barely used? Extra land, old business equipment, maybe even a valuable collection of antiques or jewelry? Every bit counts. You might be surprised how much value is sitting around you. Also, if you've been investing in stocks or cryptocurrency, this might be the perfect time to convert some of those assets into the funds you need for your application. Step 2. Borrow strategically. Now let's talk about borrowing ease. You can borrow for your citizenship, but do it wisely. If you own a home, consider taking out a home equity loan. This often comes with a lower interest rate and longer repayment terms. You can also look into personal loans, business lines of credit, or even peer-to-peer lending platforms. The goal here is to use financing methods that don't put you in deep, long-term debt, but give you the flexibility to complete your investment without depleting your cash flow. Step 3. Use your business to fund your citizenship. If you're an entrepreneur or a business owner, you're in a fantastic position. You can allocate business profits toward your citizenship fund. Take a portion of your monthly or quarterly dividends and set it aside. You could even sell off a part of your business, or license a product or intellectual property you own. And in some cases, you can use your business itself to qualify for citizenship. Countries like Turkey or Grenada offer investment routes that include opening or investing in a local business. So instead of just spending money, you're also expanding. Step 4. Build a dedicated citizenship fund. This is a game changer. Open a separate bank account specifically for your citizenship journey. Treat it like a mission. Every time you make a sale, get a bonus, earn from a side hustle, or receive passive income, transfer a portion to this fund. You'll not only create discipline, but you'll also build a legal audit trail, something that's extremely important during the application process. Governments will want to see where your money came from and how you earned it. Step 5. Explore partnerships and co-investments. Now here is a lesser-known strategy. Partner up. If you're applying as a family, you can pool funds together. In some countries, siblings or even cousins can share a single real estate investment and both apply for citizenship. Or maybe you have a trusted friend, colleague, or business partner who also wants a second passport. You can co-invest in a government-approved real estate development and split the cost. This approach significantly reduces your personal financial burden. Step 6. Generate new income streams. Maybe you don't have a lump sum no, but what if you could build it over time? Start a side hustle, launch a small online business, rent out unused space in your home on Airbnb, sell digital products, create a YouTube channel, or monetize a vlog. Some people fund their second citizenship over 12 to 24 months by simply adding new streams of income and consistently saving a portion of what they earn. This is a long-term play, but it's extremely effective if you're not in a rush. Step 7. Leverage your crypto. If you've made profits in crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins, some CBI programs now accept cryptocurrency, or at least allow you to convert it through licensed agents. But remember, transparency is everything. You'll need to show where the crypto came from, how you acquired it, and how it was converted into cash. Keep clean records and use reputable exchanges. Step 8. Consider employer or investor sponsorship. If you work for an international company or are negotiating with an investor, pitch the idea. Tell them how having second citizenship can help you grow their business globally, reduce visa challenges, or unlock new markets. Some employers or business investors are willing to sponsor or co-fund your application if they see the long-term return. Don't be afraid to think creatively here. Step 9. Get legal and financial guidance. This is not a DIY process. Hire a licensed citizenship consultant or lawyer who understands the exact requirements of your chosen program. They'll guide you on how to legally structure your funding, prepare documents, and meet compliance standards. You don't want your application rejected just because a payment came from the wrong account or the paperwork didn't match. Final thoughts: make it happen. A second passport isn't just a luxury, it's a life upgrade. You get travel freedom, business opportunities, safety for your family, tax benefits, and in many cases access to better healthcare, education, and global living. Don't let the cost stop you. Funding your citizenship is a matter of planning, commitment, and creativity. Whether it takes you 6 months or 3 years, it's worth it. So build your roadmap, open that fund, sell that car, launch that side hustle, and take that step. Because the world is yours to live in. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who's been thinking about second citizenship. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe here to guide your journey every step of the way. Your freedom is just one smart decision away.